They're trusted by millions, but when it comes to your health coverage, which one truly stands out? Cigna or Oscar Health? On one side, the established giant Cigna. On the other, the tech-driven newcomer Oscar Health. Let's put the marketing aside and focus on what really matters. We'll look at each key category, award points, and by the end, you'll know exactly which insurer takes the crown. The winner might surprise you. Here's the game plan. We're diving into how Cigna and Oscar stack up on 6 fronts: premiums and cost, network and access, technology and tools, plan types and options, member experience, and because you always want receipts, customer satisfaction. Stick with me as we unravel which ones actually got the real edge. So first off, let's talk cost, because come on, who doesn't care about their wallet? Cigna is kinda classic here. You get those nice employer discounts and there are a ton of plans available. Problem is, if you're shopping solo without a job backing you, it can get pricey, like ouch. Now Oscar Health swoops in, and honestly their ACA pricing, super competitive. You'll see some really low copays on a lot of their plans, which is sweet. Of course, in some markets, Oscar isn't always the cheapest, but generally they take this round with better prices for most people. Okay, networks, this makes or breaks a plan for so many folks. With Cigna, it's no joke, they've got a massive nationwide network and can even cover you internationally, which is actually wild. The only catch? Gotta watch out for those HMO options, cause they can be a little limiting if you like flexibility. Oscar, on the other hand, is great, asterisk if you live in one of their core markets. Their local networks are solid, but coverage is only in select states or cities, so it's just not as universal. So yeah, this one clearly goes to Cigna. Alright, now let's geek out for a sec. Tech and tools. Cigna, they do what you'd expect. There's an app, a portal, things work, but nothing super new. But Oscar? Oh, and here's something cool. These guys were basically started by tech entrepreneurs, and it shows. Their mobile app is really highly rated. It feels modern, and setting up telehealth or finding care, incredibly easy. Now sure, there are occasional tech glitches. What app doesn't have them? But if you want something digital first, Oscar totally wins this one. Oh, and quick sidebar. Did you know Oscar Health was literally founded by tech entrepreneurs who wanted to fix health insurance with technology? It totally explains why their app feels so slick and their whole vibe is digital first. Let's move to plan options, because options are kinda everything. Cigna is throwing literally every type at you: employer, individual, Medicare, dental, vision. Like, the menu is massive. For some people, honestly, the choices can almost be overwhelming, but if you love options, it's awesome. Oscar, meanwhile, just says, hey, let's keep it simple: individual and family ACA plans, and that's basically it. No employer plans, no Medicare, nothing nationwide. So if you want that buffet, Cigna walks away with it. Member experience, because let's face it, sometimes you just need to talk to a real human or get quick help. Cigna does pretty well here. Traditional customer service, some places even have in-person support. But yeah, claim processes can be a pain for some people, so it's not all roses. Now Oscar is like everything through your phone, fast digital support, and their app comes with this super helpful concierge care team vibe. But and here's the catch: physical help, almost non-existent. Still, if you love a speedy, digital-first experience, Oscar has the clear edge. Last up, customer satisfaction. Cigna is solid for network reliability and all that. You expect them to be dependable. But real talk, billing issues and denied claims, those pop up a lot in reviews. Oscar actually scores a bit better here. You get really positive feedback from ACA members, and the digital tools just make stuff easy. Only downside, you might not even have Oscar as an option depending on where you live. Still, Oscar takes it in this category. Let's see how it all shakes out, category by category. On the score chart, spoiler, it's actually closer than you'd think. Some clear wins for innovation, others for big network coverage. You can see how both have pretty different strengths. So bottom line, if you're someone who travels a ton, wants employer coverage, or just needs a giant network, Cigna is going to be your best bet. On the flip side, if you want that easy, friendly, app-based insurance life and you're in the right area, Oscar Health is honestly awesome. It really just depends on what you value more. If this side-by-side breakdown helped you out, don't forget to follow for more real talk and honest comparisons like this. We're all about making health decisions way less confusing.